What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Low Nose, where I help teach and inspire you through audio, video, and tech. And today, we are doing a Low Nose Quickie, where you leave a like and a comment down below requesting me to perform a Quickie for you in 3 minutes or less. All right, so today's Quickie is: how do I record the audio from my cell phone into my Yamaha mixer, or any kind of mixer for that matter? Let's get the clock started now. All right, so the first thing you're going to need is a 3.5 millimeter to 2 male RCA adapter cable that's going to connect directly to your cell phone. I'll leave a link down in the description down below so you can get your own right here. But go ahead, take the stereo adapter and then connect it into the stereo input of your phone. If you have a newer phone like an iPhone, you can go ahead and just use the dongle. Plug your stereo cable into the dongle, then the dongle into the phone, and the first part is done. All right, so now you're going to go to your mixer. Of course, naturally, it'd already be plugged into your computer. And you're going to look for some free RCA line inputs. For this example, we're going to use channels 9 and 10 because it is free. And we will take the white portion of our cable and put it into the left channel. And we'll take the red part into the right channel right here. And once that is set up, then we'll go ahead and activate our channel. And now our stereo channel is activated, and then you can actually do a little test run to see everything is running. So go ahead and go to your cell phone, find an audio source you would like to play from your phone, and just press play. Now that we're hearing our audio, let's go ahead and record it. Now we'll take a real quick look at our playback devices and recording devices within our audio manager, and we'll make sure that our mixer or our device is set up as a default within our playback and our recording. Once that's set up, go into your favorite audio recording device and make sure that your recorder is set as your mixer as well. In this case, our Yamaha MGXU mixer. And then go ahead and press play on a device. And then click on your click to start monitoring. And then you'll see that we're actually getting levels going into our mixer. Now remember, you can also switch to stereo as well. So you're getting your stereo recording going from your device. Once that is set up, you can then press record. And you are good to go, and you are recording from your phone. Now also keep in mind, if you don't have any RCA inputs in your mixer and you have line inputs, you can get these little adapters to plug onto the RCA male jacks within your cord to convert it into a line input. Make sure the channel is activated and you are good to go. And now with that done, you can now grab all sorts of audio coming from your phone and use it for various projects like YouTube videos or podcasts, and you're good to go. Check out this app real quick. Download Boss Jock if you're doing a podcast, and it allows you to load different sound effects, music, or whatever stingers into an app where you just press the button and it will play the effect on the mind, essentially going to the mixer and playing through whatever content you're producing, like maybe a Skype call, a radio show, or even a podcast as well. Oh, guys, that is it. You have been quickified, and I am feeling a little spent. All right, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead, leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. And if there's a quickie you would like for me to perform for you, go ahead, leave it in a comment down below and hit me up on my social medias. All right, guys, until the next quickie, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.